What does a graduate degree mean for your career? Have you ever thought about how a graduate degree could transform your career and life? What does a graduate degree mean in the first place? Let's find out and uncover the truth behind these advanced studies. A graduate degree is more than just an advanced diploma. It's a journey into the depths of what you love. But what is a graduate degree? Let's dive in and discover. What's next after your bachelor's? It's a graduate degree, which isn't just more classes. It's a path to becoming an expert in your field. It's about deep knowledge and big dreams. People head to grad school for many reasons: better jobs, higher salaries, or mastering a skill in fields like tech or medicine. It could be about becoming a research whiz. What's driving you towards a graduate degree, and what would you aim for? A master's program to boost your skills in 1 or 2 years? A PhD for in-depth research? Or a professional degree like an MD for a career as a doctor or a JD to be a lawyer? Each path has its unique rewards. What does the graduate school journey look like? Grad school is challenging but rewarding. It's about learning, researching, and growing into a true professional. Imagine the skills and knowledge you'll gain. Ready for a transformative journey like this? And here's the best part: you can choose how to study. Online or in person, graduate school can fit into your life. Thinking about grad school? Reflect on your career goals and what excites you. It's a significant investment of time, effort, and money. But the rewards? They're potentially life-changing. Is this the right path for you? A graduate degree can open countless doors. What's your dream degree? Let us know in the comments. Also, let us know other subjects you would like us to make videos on. And remember to check out this next video, where we dive deeper into maximizing your college education experience. Subscribe for more insights and tips.